I can do it. I can do it. I am freaked out right now, but kind of glad in a way. So when we first moved into, I look freaking raggedy right now, so excuse that. I'm literally just home, relaxing on the couch, went to go use the bathroom, and saw something on the floor. Let me back up for a second. When me and Kyle first moved into this apartment, I don't know if I ever told you guys this story. We were sitting on our couch, so I'm gonna show you what it looked like. If you sit here on the couch and you're watching TV at night, none of the lights were on. The only thing that was on was the TV, so it kind of gave off a glow. We paused whatever we were watching. Kyle got up, and all of a sudden, while I was waiting here, I saw something move right here. And I didn't have my glasses on, but I took a closer look, and then all of a sudden it jumped from here to here. Then I told Kyle, and I was super bugged out because I am like deathly afraid of spiders, and that's what that shit looked like. And it was, I'm not even kidding you, like this big. So anyway, we ended up we killed it, never knew exactly what it was. But over the last year of living here, or almost a year now, we do get crickets from time to time. And that's what was in the bathroom. So Kyle usually catches them for me because I literally cannot go near it. I will literally die. But I caught this one myself. So I have it in like a little plastic tub because that's what I caught it in. And I feel safe. And I'm going to let it outside. I'm not going to like kill it. The other one we killed when we first saw it because it was dark. We honestly thought it was a huge ass spider or something. And we were afraid that it was going to bite us. But since we know now that that thing was probably a cricket because it literally looks the exact same. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like so you can see what I'm dealing with here. Here's our friend. So I did a little bit of research. I think you're the first cricket to be on YouTube. What do you think? I did a little bit of research, and apparently this is a cave cricket. It's pretty big. The antennas go more than halfway up this thing. So anyway, cave crickets are not poisonous. They don't bite. They don't pose any threat to humans. The only thing is that they can become a nuisance and ruin like clothing and curtains and stuff like that. We only get them once in a while because they're prevalent in our area, but I bought a lot of these. You put this underneath your door right here, which is why that thing probably got in here because it's not against the door. But I put it up against the door and it kind of helps prevent anything more from coming through the door that doesn't need to be here. And so, yeah, that's probably how that got in. But I have one on that door and then one on the other door in the back. And they do seem to help, but we still get them every once in a while. A lot of times Kyle's home, but this time he wasn't, and I need to use the bathroom. So I needed to get that thing out of the bathroom. It's just so big, and I know in my mind it's not going to bite me. I know this. But it still scares the shit out of me. Like, I don't even want to touch the thing. I know it can't get through it, but I don't want to touch it. I have to let it out. That owl looks alive. Like, the eyes are glowing. All right. How am I going to let you outside without freaking out? I don't want to do it. I'm scared. Honestly, like, this, like, freaks me out. I don't know what it is, but I just can't do it. But I don't want to leave it in this little thing because I don't want it to die. All right, let me open my door. And see if I can let it out. All right, I'm going to put the camera here. Guys. Okay, I could do this. It says that they jump when they're scared. But see, I have to like take the top of this off. Then I'm throwing this shit away because I'm not using it for food. Oh my God. Oh, I can't do it. I can't do it. Guys, I can't do It's jumping. It's jumping too much. I literally can't do it. I feel so bad. I feel so bad, but I can't do it. I can't do it.
A few moments later.
Don't you come back in here. Nope. Literally threw that shit outside, and the container stayed out there because I am not going to get it. No. My neighbors probably think I'm freaking crazy because they heard me yell. Oh my god. I don't know what it is, you guys. I'm like so afraid of bugs. I can't do it. Even like a ladybug kind of freaks me out. Oh my god. Well, that's this quick vlog for this week. The next video you guys will probably see is me on Black Friday with my girl Rosie, because we're going out again. So hopefully we get a good vlog out of it. Thank you guys for being with me as I had to let that cricket go. Okay, I'm just glad that it's out of the house. I have to go. Bye guys, thank you for watching.